Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your login password in your LSSC account. For that, first of all, open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to search for elitesha.com. Once you are on this page, you need to provide your login credentials like your email address, phone number and your current password in order to log in. Now, in order to change your current password, you need to tap on the My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, simply tap on the fourth option that says Set Login Password. So once you tap on it, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the old password first and only then you will be able to create a new password. So if you remember your old password, you will have to just simply type that, and after that in the new password you will have to provide that password which you want to change or which you want to put right now. Once this step is done, simply tap on the submit option in the bottom and this way you will be able to change your password in your LSSC account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.